Hey guys, so exactly 1 year ago I started with my YouTube journey as a 3D artist and it's completely changing my life. In this video I just want to walk you through how much I made, what my experience are, what I did in the past, what my plans for the future are. Be 100% transparent, also how much money I make with the courses which are connected to YouTube, and yeah, I just want to talk a little bit about that whole year that I've been through. Okay, we don't count this video, but exactly 1 year ago I started here with Cinema 4D and Octane tutorials, and I did them for quite a few time, and I also did some vlogging, but yeah, those videos are private because yeah, I was just experimenting. I didn't like it so much. Then I continued with here some courses, and yeah, that was a lot of fun. But as you see, I didn't get any traction over this whole year, basically just 1,000 views, 400 views, 5 comments and all that stuff. And I was doing it, but the people weren't really interested in. So let me show you something. So first of all, if you're just interested in how much money I made just from YouTube, here $87. If that's the only thing that interests you, okay, bye, have a nice day. But that's just a little tiny piece of that whole thing. Let's see here. If we take here our graph, so 1 year, and we have here our views, and this is the graph. Here till this point, I did almost, yeah, every week YouTube tutorial on Cinema 4D and Octane and all that stuff, but you see zero growth, 0 views and all that stuff. And then here something happened, and you see this graph is just completely exploding, and something happened that I got more than 30 times more views than 7, 8, 9 months before that. And that was when I started here with my plasticity tutorials. And from there on, it's just exploding, and people love it, and people comment like crazy. And also, if we go here to my analytics, and if we go 1 year, here, my top 10 videos, and I just started plasticity a few months ago. All of my top 10 videos except 2 are plasticity, and 30,000 views, 20,000 views, 15,000 views. And I got hundreds of comments, and people are just crazy about them, and they have so much fun, and for me it's also so much more fun. So that's why some people ask me why you don't do any Cinema 4D and Octane tutorials anymore. This is the reason. No, the people don't really care about that. I don't know. Also, I'm mostly doing plasticity videos and some mindset videos and business and all that stuff, and yeah, I will switch everything a little bit. I will come to that in a second. But also subscribers and the monetization. So to monetize your YouTube channel, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Those 1,000 subscribers I got pretty quick, but those 4,000 watch hours was really hard. And I just got it. If we see, my channel got monetized here on June. So just 1 month ago, or 1.5 months. Yeah, something like that. And before that, I was really struggling to get those watch times, but I got it through the plasticity tutorials because yeah, the people just love them. They are crazy about them. They watch them completely through. So then I was monetized, and since then you see it's growing. So just those $90 in those 1.5 months or something, it's nothing. And also it will get more and more with time, and every day or once, twice, 3 times a week I will upload new videos. So after 1-2 years, that will be interesting sums. But right now it's yeah, I just started. So yeah. Also very interesting to see my subscribers. So if we check lifetime, you see again till this point here, till April, nothing really happened. It was super slow, just 5, maybe 10 subscribers per day. But then April something happened, and from there it's exploding, and still exploding and literally going like that. It's because again my plasticity tutorials, but also because I'm doing almost everyday videos. So yeah, this is really crazy and really fun. And yeah, but again, those two 4,700, some people say after 1 year that's good, but yeah, that's for me for now just peanuts, and I will explain to you in a second what my plans are. And yeah, what else can I show you? So yeah, maybe just a few statistics as well. So my audience, what I didn't thought, so first of all, 80% of you watching this video are not subscribed. Guys, this is now the best moment to subscribe, to not miss any of those videos. And 99% of men, and what is interesting, like my most people are from 25 till 44 years old. So a mature audience. This is really cool. but yeah, most of the people are from United States, UK and Germany and all that stuff. But what about my plans and the future and what you will see here on this content? So I've made a big decision 2 days ago. Let me show it to you. If you go here to my calendar, I'm tracking here everything. On the 14th Friday, so 2 days ago, here you see Carnivore and YouTube Focus start. So yeah, with the Carnivore, just a few sentences in a second, but YouTube Focus start. So from the 14th of July 2023, for 365 days, so I have in 1 year again a new event. So for 1 year, I will only do YouTube. I will not log not once on Instagram, not once on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn worked out for me when I was freelancing, but I explained to you why I'm doing this. So no LinkedIn, no Twitter, no Instagram, literally nothing except YouTube for 365 days. Why? First of all, I love YouTube. I just love YouTube. It's so fun, it's so amazing, and it is long term. You know, I post a video and it's forever there and people watch it. Like my oldest content. Let's go here to my iPhone product rendering tutorial. Let's go to the analytics. 1 year ago, I posted that. Here, you see I'm still getting every day new views and people still watch it, you know? And it's not like that bullshit Instagram and LinkedIn. You just post and after 5 minutes it's gone. No one ever, you will get any attraction for that. You certainly will not get paid for that. And it's just lost, you know. Of course, YouTube is much more work and you have to learn a crazy amount of a lot of things, but it's forever there, you know. You can see SEO optimize and all that kind of stuff. And also, I never used like personally LinkedIn or Instagram or LinkedIn or Twitter, because for me it's pure distraction. Like we are bored, we go to our phone and scroll around. This is just destroying our brain. But YouTube, I use YouTube every day because I love to learn. I learn everyday stuff, not just 3D and diet, philosophy, mindset, business, making money, how to grow on YouTube and all that stuff. And yeah, how to treat depression, all that kind of stuff, you know. And I always only research on YouTube, you know, and not Instagram and LinkedIn. So that's why I committed now, because that's also what I preach. You have to focus on one niche, on one area of 3D, of one area of design, on one social media, right? And YouTube is now my plan. And also, if we go here to analytics and we go, so first of all, as you might also know, I'm offering a one-on-one mentoring, right, for 3D artists, because this is what I was doing the last months. And I mean, also freelancing the last 2 years. And I did freelancing like literally 10 times more money than now with all that YouTube and course. I will show you in a second how much I make with the courses. But freelancing is not something that I really love, you know, and I want to do for all of my life. But YouTube, I can imagine I could do that. And also, you know, I left 3 years ago my home country, and from there I'm just traveling around and living different countries. And I want to travel again, just with the laptop, with my phone to make videos, with the light, which is not working right now, a tripod, an iPad, and that's it. And just a backpack or a suitcase, and travel around the world, different countries, and just have an online business, which I can do completely location independent, so basically already now, but also from a laptop, because right now, because I was in this freelance business, I needed a computer, a good monitor, and all that kind of stuff, and I couldn't travel around so much because I had client work. So that's why I'm not doing freelancing anymore. And the most interesting thing that I don't understand, so I'm offering a one-on-one mentoring, right? And I have 3 students, and they are getting already crazy results, and I know that I can help a lot of people and get to $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 per month, but no one really cares. No one is interested. No one gets on a strategy call. Like no one wants that service, but that's okay then for me. So I tried that. I know I can help people because I did that, and I know everyone can do this, but if they don't want, okay, so that's why I will shift now completely my focus on YouTube, on creating courses, because people love my courses. They pay, I get so much good positive feedback. I've sold over 100 plasticity courses. Also, I have a masterclass on Octane Render, 13 hours, bringing you from a completely beginner to an absolute pro. And it's like just $100 or $150. Just 3 people bought it, you know? So I just don't understand it, but this is okay for me. So yeah, let's go to Gumroad. And because here it's those $80, but I told you it's just a little point. Why YouTube? Because if we go here, so first of all, those here are my courses. And here over 100 sales for my plasticity courses, just 3 sales of my product rendering masterclass, just $100. This is nothing for that course, but people are not interested. This is okay for me. But if we go here to analytics and we go this year, $4,000. And I just started 2-3 months ago. So this is nothing. I did as a freelance $4,000 at least per month, but I'm thinking long term and all that stuff. But look also my source, the number one source, 60 sales, over $2,000, over 2,500 views are from my YouTube. So when I make a promo video, when I'm mentioning it and all. So the most traffic comes from YouTube, right? The second is direct email. So in my email newsletter. So 21 sales. So also like my community on my newsletter is amazing. You know, they write me, we write back and forth. They give me their feedback. They buy the courses. So amazing place, you know. Then also number 3 recommended by Gumroad. I don't count that. And also then obviously here my website. And then here guys, Twitter, 1 sale, Instagram, 0 sale, Facebook, 0 sale, LinkedIn, 0 sale, you know? So that's why I'm going YouTube, because it's the most amazing platform and it's long term and it's slow, but I love to think long term. I don't care about those $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, $9,000, which I made freelance, because yeah, for a lot of people, this is what they want. But I want again travel. I want to build a huge business. I don't love freelance. I love helping people. I love to share my knowledge. I love making tutorials. I love creating courses. And I just started and it's already $4,000 just in 2 months or so. So, and ArtStation, I have like $500, $600 sales. So this is my whole plan. So in the next year, so to sum it up, in my first year, I have 4,700 subscribers. But my plan is to get 100,000. So it's not my plan. I know it. I will get it. And my plan is it in 1 year, 50,000 and maximum in 2 years, 100,000. I know I can achieve this and I will achieve this. And yeah, because that's why I'm focusing also only on YouTube. I don't care about anything else. Just YouTube, making content, making courses and some ideas that I'm developing right now. So the content you will see from me is plasticity courses, plasticity tutorials, definitely. And, you know, because I think I will not do this one-on-one mentoring anymore. So, I mean, if someone of you is interested, I will have still it on my website. Definitely, like, that's also amazing. I love to help and teach people, but the problem is they just don't want it, but this is okay for me. So if you're interested, I'm still offering that, but I will transition more. I will play it around with what I really love the most. So building YouTube channel, figuring out how to sell online courses and how to make tutorials and videos. And I think I will mix plasticity tutorials with that kind of stuff. So how to make money with courses, how to monetize your creative skills, how to make a YouTube channel, because I think YouTube is the best business you can do on this planet Earth. Yeah, because yeah, it's combining so many things and you have to learn so much and it's so much fun. And yeah, I just want to share it with you. Yeah. And if you are already a subscriber and you're watching my plasticity tutorials, check out, first link in the description. I have amazing plasticity courses. People love them, as you see, over 100 sales. I get a ton of positive feedback, only 5-star reviews, completely in detail, everything step by step. Yeah, I teach you from beginner to really advanced stuff. So check them out. I have 3 ones. And yeah, so it was an amazing year, guys. I know the next year will be and I know the next year will completely skyrocket everything for me and for you. And I will share with you everything. So now I have 84 videos. When I have 100 videos, maybe a little update again. Then again, when I have my 10,000 subscribers. So this is my next goal. and then always just give you a little bit of a feedback, a little bit of some transparency and all that stuff, how much I made and all that stuff, because I'm doing that with you. I'm really enjoying that. And yeah, so leave a like and subscribe if you don't want to miss this kind of journey, and if you want to see awesome, valuable tutorials. This is just the beginning. My life is changing also because I went on a carnivore diet and I'm treating my depression, and it's getting so much better just eating my meat, a lot of butter and fish, nothing else, no sugar, no salads, no fruits, nothing, just meat and butter. Yeah, I would love to make a lot of YouTube tutorials also about like health and diet and all that kind of stuff. I have so much knowledge about that, but right now I think it would too interfere a little bit with my content, but definitely in the future. But right now, yeah, I'm following my plan. It's amazing to do it with you together. Yeah, that's basically it, and see you in my next video. Bye.